Pretty sure there's tortillas stuck in my teeth. The flakes are getting bigger. Something in my beard. Chips. Oh man, that's cold. Woo! Nope, the race hasn't started yet. I'm just running to get to the start line. Trying to chug down my breakfast. Gotta chug this Red Bull. Jeff, get up with the first alarm, dummy. Alright, we got this. Alright, there's my official start. Not the Ultramarathon start. I thought I was. That's alright. It's only up from here, folks. Everybody's so confused. That was hilarious. Me running the opposite way as everybody else. That was great. Okay. Pretty sure there's tortillas stuck in my teeth. Also didn't have time to brush my teeth. That's gross. Snows are coming down. Gotta drink this so I can get rid of it. Ah, what a start. It's coming down. I see other runners. That's good. Oh man, the flakes are getting bigger. I'm not gonna lie, it is beautiful. I love snow. Snow-covered treats. All right, here's the big climb. I think it's about 2 miles, something like that. Oh, almost 2,000 feet. So, get some power hiking in. Glad to be on a trail though. Which ultras are those? This climb, it's gonna slow everybody down. It's steep. And then out in the snow, and it's pretty heinous. Now I keep saying it, but it's dang pretty out here. Oh, this is so awesome. The wind's starting to pick up, and the snow is definitely still coming down. Feels like there's a bunch of snow and ice in my beard. I can't see it, but I'm sure it looks awesome. Alright, so update. Still doing good. In a fantastic mood. Snow is beautiful. My GoPro died. The cold just really takes those GoPro batteries down, which is super annoying. I have some extra ones. Now I want to try and change it in this weather, so we use the cell phone. And sorry, it'll be a little shaky. Also, snack time. I think I burned as many calories trying to get this out of my pack without taking my pack off as I will get from eating it. Whew. Everything's harder in a blizzard. Don't have too much more on this climb, and then should be a descent, fun descent. Oh man, this is pretty. I know the weather's not ideal, but man, good times. All right, I'm gonna do my thing. All right, this section looks runnable. Let's go for it. We're about 6¼ miles. So the steep part of the climb is over. And there's still a little gradual uphill. We got the big descent. That'll be nice. So far the pace is good. We're going about 1 hour 40. The cutoff shouldn't be a problem. And got the big climb out of the way, so feeling good. Is there something in my beard? No? All right. me again. I'm trying really hard to make myself eat. I feel like that's the one thing that could really take me out. Whew. I'm gonna finish this. Almost 11 miles. Feeling good. I've got this freaking frog tugs. Look like a goon, but I'm pretty dry. This truly is so pretty. I love the snow. Check this out. I just looked at myself in the camera. Dude. Yeah, still got my headlamp on. Sorry if this gives you nightmares, kids. My eyebrows. Oh my gosh. Finished the loop, I made it to the aid station. That was an awesome loop. Oh, my headlamp's still on. All right. Got to the aid station. Switched out the GoPro battery. That loop was so fun. Took a while at the aid station because I had to mix up some tailwind, get some nutrition out of my drop bag. Decided to take my Frog Tugs pants off. This is awesome. Oh yeah, so 13 miles, 3.5 hours. Just gotta keep pacing myself. Take it easy and enjoy this beautiful scenery. Oh my goodness. God is good, people. Just incredible. All right, let's do some running. Captain Snowbeard out. Time for a frozen waffle. I need a toaster. There's our elevation profile. Pretty sweet. You can see that big climb at the beginning. And then coming close. The green is what I've done. To the aid station. Chips. Favorite snack. How's it going? We're at 19.25. Just 10 miles left. Ooh, going into the wind now. I was hoping they'd have chips. These are so good. Woo-hoo. Eating my mustache. Crispy, salty goodies. Watch this. Nice. All right, so I stopped before the stream crossing, which is right there. And then there, these two hardcore chicks come down the trail. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna watch how you do this. They just right through the freezing cold water. I was hoping to watch them do something a little bit different. Looks like some people crossed that log. Oh, here we go. Oh man, that's cold. Brr. Well, you only get cold once, I guess. Oh, that's really cold. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna be running for a while. Get rid of that. Of course, the turnaround is right here, right after the stream crossing. Boom. Well, let's go down, I guess. All right, here we go. That was cold. All right, time to descend. Woo! Done with the single track. That was definitely my favorite part of the race. Station, I think it's 6 miles after this. Boom. The shoes are dirty. Look at these. That's how you know it's been a good time. Close my eyes and walking for a second. Think about how much my feet hurt. I opened my eyes and looked over here. Oh man, that is pretty gorgeous out here. Well, we've done a marathon. Now time for the ultra. All right, got just over 2 miles left. My legs are feeling it. We'll get there though, we'll get there. Walking this uphill. All right, half a mile left. Guess I better run it out. Oh man. Super massive thanks to all the people working the aid stations, everybody else. It could not have been fun to be out here in that blizzard. That was fun. Gonna see if I can get rid of these beard sickles. Remember, life is better with some dirt in it. Finally brushing my teeth.